Hi guys, welcome to Hack Your Health. I'm Erica, and today I'd like to share with you how I've been hiding an alopecia spot and just an update on what it's like after 9 months. I imagine that if you found this video, you probably have an alopecia areata spot, and I completely understand how it can affect how you feel in public, feeling self-conscious, and generally being a bit worried about it. I tried various things to cover the spot. One of the things I tried was eyebrow powder, and that worked really well, but it didn't have the right texture. So even though it reduced the contrast of dark hair and very white skin, it did not create the illusion that there was hair. And I also tried a pencil, so an eyebrow pencil or an eyeliner pencil or whatever it was, but I found that even though that was a lot faster and it was darker, so it did work somewhat better, it actually was pulling out some of the fine hairs I noticed, and so I stopped using that. So eventually I tried Toppik. So this is Toppik, and this video is in no way sponsored, and neither are any of my other videos, but I really am so glad that I bought this. It was $30 or $40 for this little thing. I've been using it for about 2 months on a daily basis, and it hasn't run out yet, and it really works very well, and I would definitely recommend it if you need to look like you have hair. So this is used a lot in the film industry to make men who have bald spots or thinning hair into their beautiful person selves, and that's why I know about it. I'm not sure whether it's commonly known. You can buy it at Ulta in the States. You can buy it at certain Shoppers Drug Marts in Canada. You have to check online to see which stores. And you can also buy it on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description. After 9 months, my hair is starting to grow back. However, it is growing back blonde or white. So basically, even though there's almost, let's say, an inch or an inch and a half of hair, it still looks like a bald spot, which is very disappointing to me. And hopefully your hair will grow back in its natural color. But if it doesn't, try this. Yeah, so I'll show you what the alopecia spot looks like. So as you can see, it's quite a lot of hair that fell out. I went through a period of stress in my life, and that's what happened. You basically just line it up. It's easier when you're not reflected twice, and then you just kind of... So there you can see that it's like basically disguised, and then you just kind of get your hair around it. And I'm pretty sure that how it works is that it static clings to your hair, and then the peach fuzz, and then it static clings again to the hair that you still have. And so your hair doesn't move around as much on the spot. So in my case, I can cover it, but then as soon as I move my head or something, it shifts and the bald spot gets exposed. But when I have this on, like, you really can't tell that there's hair missing. Like, this is the same place on my head. I think that's quite amazing. See? And this is not a commercial. This is, maybe if you have a 4K big screen TV, you can tell me that you can still see it, but on my tiny display, I can't see it at all. So that is after 9 months what my alopecia spot looks like. I was hoping that it would have completely grown in by now, but it has not. I do highly recommend Toppik, having tried it myself, because you really can't tell that there's any hair missing, even though you saw that that spot is fairly large. It lasts all day, and usually I even wash my hair every second day, so I just have to add a really small amount because it stays on for a very long time. Even if it's windy or rainy, it generally is always good, so it doesn't wear off over the course of the day. I haven't been completely soaked. I'm not sure if it will wash off in like a monsoon, but just sort of light rain has been fine, and wind has also been fine. The color I use is dark brown. To give you an idea of the colors, once I accidentally bought light brown, that would be suitable for people with blonde hair. Medium brown, the woman at the store told me had more of a reddish tone. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but she thought that my hair color would be considered dark brown, to give you an idea. And it is a little bit darker than my actual hair, but it doesn't seem to make much of a difference. And then, of course, there's black, there's gray, and I forget what other colors there are, but they have a few different colors, and this is considered dark brown, just so you know. And all the best on your healing journey. If you'd like to see more of my videos, they're mostly about healing Crohn's disease, and I do have one about essential oils for alopecia areata, and you can just check out my channel if you want to know. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, please subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.